Hi, a couple of weeks ago we did a speed run of the Aqroshot, but before we have a look at the results of that, I'll just point out what we've actually done to upgrade this little car. We've got a 4.3 kV brushless motor set in there, and obviously it's running on a LiPo battery. And the only other modification is the tyres. These are the Blitzer tyres. I don't know if you could see those. There we go. So that is literally the only modifications we've done to it. So we've done a speed test, and here it is.